Life is a journey filled with endless possibilities and countless experiences, full of twists and turns, unexpected moments. Some are beautiful, some are challenging, but all are important. They shape us, they teach us. Each twist, each turn brings with it a lesson, a story, a memory. These moments, whether joyous or painful, are the building blocks of our existence. They make us who we are. They mold our character, our beliefs, our dreams. Standing on the edge of a cliff, looking out at the vast ocean, we realize the depth of our journey. Gazing into a tranquil lake, we see our reflection, a testament to our growth and resilience. Sometimes a single moment can change everything. A sunrise that fills the sky with hope, a star that shines brightly in the darkest night. These moments are powerful, transformative. It can be a phone call, a chance meeting, a conversation that opens new doors, a handshake that seals a new friendship. These seemingly small events can have a profound impact on our lives, or a day marked by destiny, a date circled in red, a moment we've been waiting for. The anticipation builds, and when the moment arrives, it changes the course of our journey. These turning points are like stars. They illuminate our path, guiding us through the unknown. Each star, each turning point is a beacon of hope. They guide us through the darkness. They offer hope, like a lighthouse guiding ships safely to shore, or a lantern lighting the way in a dark forest. These moments provide clarity and direction. They remind us that anything is possible. After every storm, there is a rainbow, a symbol of hope, a promise of better days. Looking up at the sky, we are reminded of the endless possibilities that lie ahead. They whisper of dreams coming true. A wish made on a dandelion, a dream catcher swaying in the wind. These moments are filled with magic and promise, and sometimes they arrive bearing gifts beyond our wildest imagination. A treasure chest filled with light, a magical gift box that sparkles with possibilities. These moments are rare and precious, reminding us of the wonder and beauty of life. If you believe in God's great abundance, then like, subscribe, and share this video channel. Mark your calendar, April 7th is approaching, a day chosen by fate, a day when life will be touched by something extraordinary, a day when dreams will take flight. This is not coincidence, it is destiny. The universe moves in mysterious ways. It speaks to us, it guides us, it provides for us. On this day, it offers a gift of unimaginable magnitude, a gift that will change lives forever, a gift of $450 million. Imagine waking up, the sun is shining, birds are singing, you check your account balance, $450 million. Your heart skips a beat. This is not a dream, this is reality, your reality. This money is more than just wealth. It is freedom. It is opportunity. It is the power to transform your life and the lives of those you love. It is the ability to make a difference in the world. Section 4. A tapestry of dreams fulfilled. Think of the possibilities. Imagine a world where every dream you have ever had comes to life, weaving together a tapestry of your deepest desires and aspirations. A house with a garden, a sanctuary of peace and beauty. Travel to exotic lands where every corner holds a new adventure, a new story waiting to be discovered, education for yourself and your children, opening doors to endless opportunities, helping those less fortunate, spreading kindness and compassion, the power to heal, to mend broken spirits and bodies, the power to build, creating structures that stand the test of time, the power to inspire, igniting the flames of hope and ambition in others. This is the magic of April 7th, a day unlike any other. A day when the ordinary transforms into the extraordinary. It is the day when dreams become reality, when the hard work and perseverance finally pay off. A day of celebration, of joy, of triumph. It is the day when hope blossoms into joy, when the seeds of your dreams sprout and flourish. A day filled with laughter, with dancing, with the purest forms of happiness. It is the day when the universe conspires to bless you with abundance, showering you with gifts beyond your wildest dreams. A day when the stars align and the cosmos itself seems to celebrate your success. Section 5. Embrace the blessing. Open your heart. Embrace the possibilities. This is your moment, your time to shine. Feel the energy of the universe flowing through you. Let it guide you to new heights and uncharted territories. This is not just a fleeting moment, it is the beginning of a new chapter in your life. A chapter filled with endless opportunities and boundless potential. Your chance to live a life filled with purpose and passion. Trust in the universe. Trust in yourself. Believe that you are capable of achieving greatness. Every step you take brings you closer to your dreams. Every breath you take fills you with the strength and courage to pursue your passions. The universe is conspiring in your favor, aligning everything perfectly for your success. The best is yet to come. Imagine the possibilities that lie ahead. Picture yourself living a life that is not only fulfilling, but also inspiring to others. The journey may be challenging, but it is also incredibly rewarding. Embrace each moment with an open heart and a positive mindset. April 7th is not just a date, it is a promise of new beginnings and fresh starts. It is a reminder that every day is an opportunity to create the life you desire. Mark this date as the day you decided to take control of your destiny. A promise of a brighter future. A future where your dreams are not just dreams but realities. A future where you are living your best life filled with joy, love, and fulfillment. The light of a new dawn is upon you, illuminating the path to your greatest aspirations. A promise of dreams fulfilled. Every goal you set, every vision you create is within your reach. Keep your dreams alive by nurturing them with positive thoughts and actions. Celebrate each milestone, no matter how small, as it brings you closer to your ultimate goals. A promise of a life transformed. This is your blessing. Embrace it fully and let it transform you from within. Let go of any doubts or fears that may hold you back. Step into your power and live the life you were meant to live. Receive it with gratitude and joy. Be thankful for every blessing that comes your way. Cherish each moment and let it fill your heart with happiness. This is your time to shine, your time to embrace the blessing that is your life.